Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 4,000 watt dual fuel RV ready electric start inverter with CO Shield. This unit can run on propane or gasoline straight out of the box, and weighing less than 55 pounds, this is one of the lightest 4,000 watt inverters in the industry. Perfect for taking on small trips, using recreationally, or to back up your essential household items during a power outage. Champion's convenient electric start takes the confusion out of starting an engine. Easily get up and running with the push of a button. And when the electrical load is reduced, the innovative economy mode provides quieter operation, extended engine life, and better fuel economy. This inverter comes travel ready with a standard 30 amp RV outlet to easily bring power while you're on the road, as well as a pair of 120 volt household outlets and a 12 volt DC outlet. Or connect another unit using a Champion Paralink parallel kit to provide more power directly to your RV. And for added protection, this inverter utilizes CO Shield, an auto shutoff system that will shut down the engine before dangerous levels of carbon monoxide have the chance to accumulate in your operating area. Read your operator's manual to easily get your unit up and running. Open the box to safely access the inverter. Add oil to the inverter. Connect the battery. Move the inverter outside. Add gasoline. Or connect your propane supply. Start the inverter with a convenient push-button electric start. And plug in your desired equipment. Champion's 4,000 watt dual fuel RV ready electric start inverter. Innovative, portable, and dependable.